We are excited to learn something about Scratch today and to actually work on a project. So we teach them how to log into Scratch. Let me introduce you to the environment. You will see that these are the blocks that you can drag into this area right here. This is where the Scratch blocks go. And whatever you do, you will be programming your sprite to do things. This is motion. All the blue blocks are motion. If you click on purple blocks, it changes the way the sprite, which is the characters, what they look like, changing color, changing sizes. You can put sound into your projects, and events you'll learn is what makes the program go. And we'll talk about that later. You can add different sprites or characters by clicking right here on this cat and the plus sign. And here, the backdrop, that is what fills in what we call the stage. And you can click on here to add your different backdrops. If you ever want to learn how to do something, Scratch is built in this tutorial. If it doesn't pop up, you can go up here and you can have your students explore for themselves. The tutorials are not integrated in this curriculum, but it's a great way for them to be independent in their learning. Okay, you can close it by clicking on the X. And as you see, now you see how the slide works. You can go through and teach them with little yellow blocks. So stage, scripting area, backdrops, and sprites. When you click on the sprites, the Scratch library will pop up. So you click on it and you can choose a sprite by just going to the library, or the students can upload sprites as well. And we'll be teaching them how to do that in this lesson. When you see on the slides, workbook page 2, the kids can look along with you in their books if you print it or if we give you a printed copy of it. I'm going to also say in the very back of the workbooks, Sue had this wonderful idea to create a page so students can see which sprites exist. Because in the projects, we say pick a sprite. And so they can look at the page and decide which one they want to use if they want to use the library and not upload it themselves. And then how to share a project. This is important because if the students don't share their projects, you will not see it. And the benefit of having a classroom and using Scratch is that when they share and they add their project to the studio, you can see their project and they can see each other's projects. And so I think that authentic audience is a really great thing. So we want to teach them how to share their projects, and you can give them a grade for it, or you can acknowledge that it's been completed. So they need to click on Scratch, and then you tell them what to label their project. Then they click on the orange one, and that makes it available for everyone. And then they add it to the studio that we'll create together and add to studio, and they can click on OK. We will walk you through this together when you create your projects. All right, because I'm going to show you a video. There are 3 things that we're going to teach the students to do in this first lesson. And the idea is to have them play around with Scratch and create stuff. And then in lesson 1.2, in the second lesson, we'll teach some more computational thinking. But now it's just learning how to play with Scratch.